today we're going to talk about the B2 Air beveler machine. This is also a deburring machine. It comes with a safety latch that allows you to unlatch the safety latch and perform the operation. This machine is very easy to use. It operates within ranges of 0 to 2 millimeters or 0.08 inches. This machine also has the ability to deburr or bevel any size, shape of circle that you may have. Very easy to use. It also comes with replacement inserts. These inserts are simple to replace. We think the beveling adjustments that you need to do will be used with an Allen wrench. You just take the Allen wrench and loosen up the top of the head, and it goes to those ranges that we spoke about, 2 millimeters to 0.08 inches. We also like to talk to you about today that when you're changing and making those adjustments on the head, it has all of the meters on the top of the head so you can make the adjustments appropriately and accurately so that won't remove all guesswork. Let's take a look at how this machine operates.